Hello everyone! Today I'm going to explain to the negotiation process and the different types of negotiation. Negotiation is a process in which two or more parts communicate in order to reach an agreement. Negotiations are present in business, politics, school, family situations, and even in everyday life. A good negotiation helps solve conflicts, improve relationships, and achieve goals for both sides. What is the negotiation process? The negotiation process consists of several stages that help the parts reach an agreement effectively. The first stage is preparation. Before starting a negotiation, both parties need to collect information, define objectives, and identify possible solutions. For example, if company wants to negotiate salaries with employees, it must analyze budgets, market salaries, and employee needs before the meeting. Preparation is important because it gives confidence and helps avoid mistakes during the negotiation. The second stage is discussion. In this stage, both parties communicate their interests, needs, and concerns. Good communication and active listening are essential here. For example, in the movie Erin Brockovich, the lawyer and the affected families discuss the environmental damage caused by the company. Both sides explain the perspectives and positions. This stage helps create understanding between the parties. Part 3. Classifications of goals. The next stage is classification of goals. Here, the parties identify what they really want and try to understand the priorities of the other side. Sometimes people focus only on position instead of interests. For example, one side may want a higher price, while the other wants flexible payment terms. Understanding interests make agreements easier. Number 4. Negotiation and bargaining. This is the moment when the offers and counteroffers are made. Both parties try to obtain the best possible result while making concessions. For example, when buying a car, the seller may lower the price while the buyer agrees to pay immediately. This stage requires patience, strategy, and emotional control. Number 5. The final stage is closure. After reaching an agreement, the parties confirm the final terms and sometimes sign a contract. A successful agreement should be clear, realistic, and beneficial for everyone involved. Types of negotiation. Now I will explain the two main types of negotiation. Number 1. Win-win negotiation. A win-win negotiation is also called integrative negotiation. In this type, both parties benefit from the agreement. The objective is cooperation instead of competition. For example, imagine two companies working together. One company provides technology and other provides marketing service. Both companies benefit because they increase profits and improve their business. Number 2. Win-loss negotiation. The second type is win-lose negotiation, also called distributive negotiation. In this type, one party gains more benefits while the other loses something. This usually happens when resources are limited. For example, during an aggressive price negotiation, a company may force a supplier to reduce price too much, causing losses for the supplier. Importance of negotiation skills. Negotiation skills are important in professional and personal life. Some essential skills are communication, active listening, emotional intelligence, problem solving, persuasion, and decision marketing. A successful negotiator understand the other party and search for solutions that create value. In conclusion, negotiation is an important process used to reach agreements and solve conflicts. The negotiation process includes preparation, discussion, clarification, bargaining, and closure. Also, there are different types of negotiation, especially win-win and win-lose negotiation. Understanding these concepts help people negotiate more effectively and achieve better results in business and daily life. Thank you for watching.